fire from slag last year.
Well, like I said, in the top parts of the boiler here, they have these places where there's a big hook, and they'd bring a crane in, and they would hook on, and they would lift the plates out to let it get cooler, so that it wouldn't explode.
Yeah.
Well, there was one particular summer where they just didn't do it, and that's what caused the explosion that killed these two men. They didn't take the stuff off.
Cut one up completely in half.
Flash. Flash. Flash.
Is there anybody still doing any work up here? We got a lot of workers here that need to know what to do. Can you tell us where to go?
Was it your job to clean the tiles?
The slag here.
What was that?
What'd that say?
I know that it says shore or. Sometimes I don't understand what it says.
Seems to like you, Hope.
Is your name Hope? Right here?
Uh-huh.
Do you like my friend Hope? Can you say her name? Can you come stand right next to her? You need to come tell her what she needs to do. She's one of your new workers. She's ready and anxious. She really needs to know what to do. She's just standing here wasting time. Tell her where to go.
Sorry.
She's standing here. She's getting paid either way. So you need to put her to work.
I think we're going to put Hope in your position if you don't come down here and tell her what to do. You're slacking, slag.
We're going to make Hope the new foreman. And put her over you. Like her?
Like her.
Sounded like her. We like her too.
Or find her?
Like
Do you like her?
We like her too.
Aisle or trial?
Isle?
Isle.
Sound more like Isle.
What will you do?
You a what?
We can't understand what you're saying. Try it one more time. A. At what? R. A. R. Are you trying to spell something? You like her. We like her too. She's a nice girl. She's a hard worker.
Is it you that we're talking to, Slag? Is that Mommy?
No.
Did I say my name?
Did you say Robbie?
Robbie? Tommy?
That's Robbie. Robbie's here with us.
That's what I thought it said.
Robbie's an Alabama boy.
Do you want to communicate with Robbie? You say sure. Okay, I'm here. Talk with me. Tell me what you want. Do you want to put Robbie to work? Is that somebody's phone?
It does that sometimes.
Okay.
Because it's got that touch. When you touch it, sometimes it'll do it.
Layer it?
What do I need to layer?
Layer it.
The tile?
Something.
Yeah. Tile.
What is it? The what?
I just got the chills.
I did too.
Well, there is a breeze.
No,
It wasn't that.
my hair's standing on end.
Yeah.
Are you right here around us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
That
are.
was yeah. No, he said yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Tell me what you want me to tile. I don't understand. What do you want me to layer?
Help.
That does like help something.
Yeah,
Help.
help. Nick.
Do you want him to get down in the furnace and put the bricks up?
Is that what you want him to do?
Bullshit.
That's what I thought.
We like you.
Slag, I think you can communicate better than this. Exactly what do you want Robbie to do? Arrow? Did y'all hear something over there too?
Yeah.
Well, there is a guy who's one of the lighting guys is down there on the stage. I don't know. He may
They're
be
breaking
something
stuff down.
So
Sound closer than that though. Closer.
I'll go over there. Don't follow Matt, Slag. Stay here with me.
I gotta save some of my camera for battery going dead real quick.
Your worker's here. What do you want him to do?
No, I have my earbud in. I heard something, but it was
Yeah, they did.
Set.
Yeah.
To sit down?
Because last year it was saying stuff about ore, you know? It was like,
Talking about
then
more.
it said put it out.
Metal ore,
Yeah.
fire.
And I heard like put it out. It said put it out.
It was the other lighting guy doing that fog machine.
You are what? What are you?
Did he say
Slag.
slag?
Sounded like
Slag. That's what he said.
Slag, if you're here with us, make these green lights go off.
Touch one of these little boxes, Slag.
I want to record that.
They're different colored lights. If you touch one of them, they're going to change colors.
You have a whole bunch of energy right here that you can use.
Can you light them?
Do your best. I don't know.
You know, Slag, I've been hearing some very mean things about you, but I'm starting to think you're kind of a nice guy.
That's what I believe too. He was just doing his job.
'Cause you ain't doing nothing to make me think you're a bad person.
No, not.
Well, if you're not a bad person, make these green lights go off.
Prove it to us. At least one of them.
You're not strong enough, are you? Did he say ha?
Yeah, something.
Huh.
Well, then show us.
Yeah. Use my energy.
Can you do it? You use my energy too. I thought I heard something about paranormal. I don't know.
Come on, Slag, talk to us some more.
What do you want to be remembered, you know, good or bad?
Good, bad, or bad.
Tell you what, when I leave here, I know that I'm going to remember Slag as a weak foreman. What was that?
What was that?
Is that your
I
foot
think
over
that was
there?
my shoe.
It was over there.
I mean, my shoe made a
Yeah,
squeak, but
squeak.
No, it wasn't a squeak, it was
No,
a
it was
pop,
a pop.
like a
Yeah.
rock.
Yeah.
It was over there.
I made
It
the
was
popping
her.
noise after I did that with my mouth.
Okay.
I heard I made the noise after you heard that. Are you still here with us though, Slide?
Very.
Very what? Good or bad?
Camera just died.
Was your battery low?
It was somewhat low. I mean, really, I had just changed it not too long ago.
You changed it in that room.
Yeah, you seen me. I mean,
okay, I want you to touch these green lights. I'm going to touch it and watch what happens. Nothing. When you touch it, it'll change colors. I need you to touch one, please, right now.
If you want us to get back to work, because right now we're just hanging out, light him up.
I think he's pretty aware of what's going on though, because he's pretty intelligent from what I've got from him.
I think he's just a weak foreman.
Okay, tell you what, I got a new toy here. This toy will play music if you touch it. All you gotta do is make a touch. See, watch. All you gotta do is touch it and it'll make a cool note. Give it a try for me.
Come on, Slag, do it.
I bet Hope can do it, Slag. Go ahead, Hope. Look at there. Hope did it, Slag. She did something you can't do. What do you think about that?
I think that means we need to promote her to foreman.
If you don't touch this piano, Slag, she's going to be foreman and you're going to have to work under her.
Or for a woman.
And she's mean.
Do you want to work for a woman? Yeah. Yeah.
He's not dead yet.
Well, Hope is now your boss, Slag.
I met her.
I thought he said amen, but
I thought
like
he
I
said
met her.
I met her.
All right, Hope, you want to boss him around? Now that you're the boss?
come on, Hope.
Tell him to do something.
Tell him to touch the green
Just
light.
tell him to touch the piano.
Just tell him to touch the piano.
She's so shy.
She's
She
your
can't
boss,
do
Slag.
it for me. She's too shy.
Do you want Hope to tell you what to do? Yeah.
Tell him, Hope. Come
Come
on,
on,
Hope.
Hope. Give him an order.
Slag, will you please touch the piano like this?
Slag, she told you what to do. It's not hard.
If he did it, I would die.
If you don't do it, she's gonna fire you.
And how are you going to feed your family? It's hard to get a job these days.
How are you gonna explain to your family that a woman fired you?
Give it all you got. Put your elbow to it.
Go figure.
We're running out of time, Slag.
Slag, you better do it. At least make these lights change color so that we know you're trying to do it.
Is it time to go?
We are in the tunnels.
Shut up.
Okay,
Where I
Slag.
wanna go.
Slag, you are officially fired. You are no longer work here. Hope is not your boss anymore because she took your spot. So I just want you to know that. You're no longer work here, Slag. You're free to go. Go on.
You were fired. From Hope.
Hope fired you, Slag.
You don't need that.
Yeah, you don't want me to. Yeah. Oh, I thought you.